Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In most, if not all, cases, fetal hiccups are a normal reflex. They're a normal part of pregnancy. Your baby has a lot to do to practice for their debut on delivery day. If your baby's hiccups ever give you reason for concern, contact your doctor.
Take our lead.
Let's look deeper at these suggestions. Take a break and burp. Taking a break from feeding to burp your baby may help get rid of the hiccups, since burping can get rid of excess gas that may be causing the hiccups. Use a pacifier. Infant hiccups don't always start from a feeding. Try gripe water. Let them stop on their own. The 13th of October 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The colicky baby. A baby is likely to get hiccups if they have swallowed too much air. This can be during feeding or even when they have been crying. Since one of the big causes of colic is due to air intake, hiccups are often associated with colic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.